Unit 3, The Museum of Failure. Reading.
What do an iPhone, an LED light bulb, and a Rubik's Cube have in common? They are some of the world's most successful products. Generally, a product succeeds for 3 reasons. One reason is that it is useful. Another reason is that it is much better than older products. The other reason is that it is amusing. However, behind every successful product, there are hundreds of failed ones. Dr. Samuel West cared about these failures and decided to gather several unsuccessful products in a special place. This is how the Museum of Failure was started in Sweden in 2017. In the first place, Dr. West wanted to know how organizations came up with ideas for new products, so he started to do some research on this. However, he began to get tired of boring success stories. Then, a trip to the Museum of Broken Relationships gave him the idea to build his own Museum of Failure, and it turned out to be a hit. Although some of the products were funny or odd, Dr. West insisted on putting them on display. For him, the goal of the museum was not to laugh at failed products, but to encourage people to think about why a product failed. At the Museum of Failure, visitors can view over 100 failed products from around the world. Among them, 3 products attract a lot of attention particularly. One is a plastic bike. Another is Google Glass, a pair of high-tech glasses. The other is a frozen dinner which was made by Colgate, the toothpaste company. These products are actually very cool, but they failed due to the wrong business strategies. In fact, many other food and drink products also failed because people thought they were terrible. For instance, Coca-Cola Black was a mix of Coke and coffee, but few people liked its flavor. On the other hand, Pringles' fat-free potato chips tasted fine, but one of its ingredients could cause diarrhea. Some other items at the Museum of Failure mark the end of a period of history. The Blockbuster DVD case is a good example. It represents a once successful company that fell behind the times and went out of business in the end. Visitors to the Museum of Failure say it is an interesting experience. By learning about failed products, people may be more willing to embrace failure and become braver on the path to success.